Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS Small Business. Welcome to Empowering SMEs. This week, I want to draw your attention to a couple of developments within the JobKeeper program if your business is receiving JobKeeper. If you are claiming research and development incentive payments and are receiving JobKeeper support for employees who are involved on the research and development projects, and therefore you're claiming their wages or part of their wages on the JobKeeper payment, the tax office has issued a draft tax determination which would indicate that you have to reduce your claim for research and development incentive by the $1,500 per fortnight that the company has received for that employee if it's been allocated to the research and development project. If the employee is working for less than 100% of his or her time, then there's a pro rata adjustment. If you've already lodged your tax return in respect of the year ended 30th of June 2020, I would suggest that you have a discussion with your accountant and have an amended return lodged. The other development on JobKeeper, I'm sure that you know that the Prime Minister and Treasurer last week announced JobKeeper Phase 2 to start from 1 October. This program will require businesses to have qualified based on their trading results or their income in the June quarter and the September quarter. In both cases, the June quarter 2020 has to be compared to the June quarter 2019, and the same obviously with the September quarters. Have you already checked how you went? Because that will give you an indication whether you're going to be eligible for JobKeeper Phase 2, which commences from 1 October. If not, you would be well advised to be taking that into account in your forward projections that you'll be making within your business. Our next COVID-19 survival webinars for small businesses and medium-sized enterprises is on Wednesday the 5th of August at 1200 AEST. Our keynote presenter is Amanda Gascoigne. Amanda's a former accountant in practice. She's obviously still an accountant, but these days she is a consultant to small and solo accountancy firms situated all around Australia. She writes a very interesting newsletter each week. And what she's going to talk about is utilising your accountant to add value. This is part of a theme that we've been trying to promote within this series of webinars over the last couple of weeks to alert you to the services that your accountants can provide to assist you to add value in your business. So I would urge you to register and come along and listen to Amanda Gascoigne next week. In the same webinar, I'm going to make a presentation on government grants that are there for small businesses and medium-sized enterprises. There's been a lot more take-up of government grants in the last 4 or 5 months, but there is always government grants in Australia being offered by the federal, state and territory governments and some local government organisations around Australia. So on Wednesday the 5th of August, we're going to give you an overview of the grants and other incentives that are available from the federal government. So why don't you join us on Wednesday the 5th of August for this free webinar. Allocate 1 hour of your time as an investment to improve your knowledge on business operations and running. For more information, please go to our website, www.esssmallbusiness.com.au, where you can go to webinars to register for the webinar, or you're most welcome to wander around the website and have a look at the various products and services that we have available for you. most of which have been produced by our organisation, but some of which are products and services produced by our affiliates that I'm sure you'll be very interested in. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.